Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel AZ Education Adda. In this lecture, we will discuss one important problem of mathematics. Before starting the discussion, I would like to tell you if you want to get more important problems of mathematics, you can visit our website which is education-adda.com. Link of this website is also available in the description box of the video. So how you will get the questions? You need to visit education-adda.com, then go to menu option and select Academic Shraddha. In Academic Shraddha, you need to select Math Important Questions. One more thing, all these questions are available in the form of video lectures on our YouTube channel and the playlist is titled as Math Important Questions. Okay friends? So coming back to the given question, what is given here? So we have to solve the given compound inequality, then graph the solution on the number line and express in interval notation. So here two inequalities are given which will form the compound inequality. So first one is 3x plus 2 is greater than equal to minus 4 and second one is 9 minus 6x is greater than 3 times of 2 minus x. Okay. So one by one we will discuss. See. Here these two inequalities are given. First one is 3x plus 2 is greater than equal to minus 4 and second one is 9 minus 6x is greater than 3 into 2 minus x. So we will solve these two inequalities one by one. So from inequality 1, what is given? 3x plus 2 is greater than equal to minus 4. Okay. So we need to keep variable on one side and constant on another side. So in order to do that, we need to subtract 2 from left side. So subtracting 2 from both sides, we will get 3x is greater than equal to minus 6. Then dividing both sides by 3, we will get x is greater than equal to minus 2. Okay. So this is the solution of first inequality. Then from second inequality, what is given? 9 minus 6x is greater than 3 times of twice minus x. So we can see here also left side also 3 is a common factor. So dividing both sides by 3 we will get 3 minus 2x is greater than 2 minus x. So moving variable terms on one side of the inequality, so we will move this x on the left side from right side. So we will get 3 minus 2x plus x is greater than 2. Okay. So after simplification it will be 3 minus x is greater than 2, or after subtracting 3 from both sides we will get minus x is greater than minus 1. Okay. Then when we will divide by minus 1, this inequality sign will reverse, because whenever we divide an inequality by a negative number, the sign of inequality changes. Okay. So here it is greater than, so it will be x is less than 1. Okay. Therefore another solution is x is less than 1. Now we have two solutions for x. Combining these two, first one is x is greater than equal to minus 2 and second one is saying x is less than 1. So our solution will lie between minus 2 to 1. Okay. So in interval notation we can write minus 2 to 1. At minus 2 it will be closed interval and at 1 it will be open interval. If we represent this on a number line, see this is the number line. So here it is minus 2 and this point is indicating 1. So here it is solid dot. Okay. Solid dot shows that it can be inequality sign also holds at minus 2 and at 1 equality sign will not hold. Okay. So it is a hollow dot. Okay friends. So our solution is minus 2 to 1. Okay friends. So in this lecture, we have discussed one important problem of mathematics. Okay, thank you.